Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this photo and want to blend the colors like these using these colors. Well, this would be the same. I just use this color to kind of see if I can get the blend kind of the same shape and same size. So what I'm going to, and he just wanted to know how to do it. Okay, before I do anything, I'm using somebody else's file. I'm going to change it. I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard, and I'm going to draw in a hairline. And actually red, it doesn't really matter. But I just can't stand that thick line. Now, so I'm going to draw a shape kind of like that water bottle. I'm going to go ahead and color it one of these colors. So I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool, and I am going to take my eyedropper sample, and I'm actually going to use the original, and I'm going to put it there. Okay. Now, I'm going to take away the outline. When you use the interactive fill tool, you can select this color. You just go right here, kind of hover over it. Let me unblow. And go right here to the eyedropper, same thing as the Smart Fill tool, and get that color and put it in there. Voila. Now, to get this kind of a blend, I would think you would bring the two colors together, closer together, to get it so it'd be a true color between the two. And then actually, I think he's just doing this for a model to show people. I don't really know why else you would. But with the interactive fill tool open, you can go right here also and smooth it out. It'll give you more of a definite line. And if you look at that, I'm pretty close. So the one that, if you wanted to blend these two colors, you would just do the exact same thing, interactive fill tool. Let's just use a blank spot. Let's use my interactive fill tool and do this. But this time we're going to go with number 9 and number 10. So just hover over it. Maybe even click your mouse, go to that bar, get your color, and we're going to go with 9 up top. Say OK. Go here, click on it. Get your eyedropper, and we'll go to number 10 at the bottom. Now, everything's not going to be, perfect colors, but with the eyedropper, you really want it to blend in the middle. You want that color to kind of show through. So it looks like they just meet in the middle and blend. And of course, also, I think it always looks better if you use the smoothness, because you're going to get a more definite transition between the two colors. Now, I wouldn't probably make a water bottle with those two colors, but that's pretty dead on. Matter of fact, if we turn it 90 degrees, maybe this color isn't as true, but because I'm taking colors off a pencil, off of a picture. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.